LS The World shirt. If you can't beat them, join them. Now we've got these in small to fat bastard sizes, and we've also got small and big stickers.
We've even got the tiny little stickers you can put anywhere.
Oh yeah. So get on them. So this VN, built by Garage Worx, just went 920 at 151, stock 6 litre bottom end. It's got head studs, valve springs, an oil pump, and a cam. But yeah, it's still factory pistons and rods, yeah?
No trans brake either.
Nothing, no trans brake, off the foot brake. That's awesome. What turbo is it?
To be honest with you, I think this is just a
Borg Warner, it looks like one.
Yeah,
Like an S. 480. Stock manifolds on that side. Oh yeah, you've got it switched around on that side. Factory stock interior. Oh, it's still got the killer VN steering wheel. Half these parts, people throw them in the bin, and then 20 years later, they're asking $1,000 for it. Hey, have a look at this, Geordie. Have us come in on this. It's pretty cool. Oh, Borgie. Still got the Borgie in it with 31 spline axles.
Yeah.
920. It's pretty good. That'll be on a 255, wouldn't it?
255, yeah.
Yep, 255 Street R.